Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of s. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. We have the u equals to the s over number 2 with the square root of s. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. The s over the number 2 with the square root of s. So we have this one in here. We change by the u. Next, number 2 divided by 2 sine of u square, 6 sine of u square divided by 2 sine of u square. This one we will have about 1 over sine u square plus number 3. For this one, that's about cosecant of u square. The integration of cosecant of u square, you got about negative cosine u. Number 3, that's about u. And I will put about c. About u, that's about the square root of s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.